everybody, today I will share the recipe of butter chicken. Let's start. These are the ingredients: onion, cashew nut, butter chicken masala, dhania, butter, tomato paste and whole milk cream. This is boneless chicken. And on the induction, and 2 cups of water in it, and we put cashew nut in this. It will boil, and we also cut the onion pieces, hold the onion into the water and soft it for 5-10 minutes. In the meantime, we cut boneless chicken into pieces and put it all the pieces into this bowl. Now we put butter chicken masala on it. Now we transfer in this bowl chicken and microwave it for 5 minutes. Now I put in microwave this bowl with chicken and cover with the lid. And give time 5 minutes. Now we stain this boiled onion and cashew nut to make the paste. We will transfer this thing into the mixie. Now we take the legal pan, switch on the induction, and we add 2 spoons of butter in the pan. Now we add cashew and onion paste in it. Now we saute for 2 minutes. Now we add salt and pepper in it and cover it for 2 minutes. Now we add tomato paste in it. Now we take out the chicken from the microwave oven. See this whole chicken, half cooked. Now we add whole chicken in the pan. Now we add chicken in the sauce, butter sauce, and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now we add heavy cream in butter chicken. Now we will chop cilantro. Now 2 minutes over, chicken is ready. Now we take it out in this bowl. Now chicken is ready. We put cilantro in it.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.